So I'm going to get us a house soon, bro. Yeah, do that. Bro. Sexy lips is the key. If you know what I mean. Ask her if she has any hot friends trending now. Yeah, bro, it's 2020. Lockdown soon over. Anyway, bro. Going to check a friend. Jamaican boys.
Just wondering where my daughter could be.
Daddy, the bus stop? Full of people.
I know how it gets crazy at times.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'm a big gal.
Anyways, I'm wondering what's in the pot back home.
Food. 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 Good food.
I like the sound of that. See you later.
I soon be home. Later.
Well. Just look we I man. Buck up in a. My girl. What's a go on? Baby. Sweet sugar dumplings.
Hi, Jughead. How are you today?
Yow plum. All day. Man, I think both you.
Oh, Jughead. Stop it. Although I need it.
Hey gal. You really want it?
Jughead. I more than want it. I just have to know you some more.
Okay. Lollipop. Mia come pick you up? Saturday at 6:30 p.m. sharp.
Okay. Jughead. I hear you.
Okay, sweet face. See you Saturday.